In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website for a smooth and user-friendly experience on mobile devices. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure your site looks great and functions well on smaller screens. First, you'll want to preview your site on a mobile device. To do this, click the mobile icon in your editor. This feature allows you to switch to mobile view, giving you a sense of how your site will appear on smartphones and tablets. This visual transition is crucial for understanding the user experience from a mobile standpoint. Once you're in mobile view, it's time to make some adjustments. Tap on Edit to start resizing, repositioning, and reordering elements such as text boxes, images, and buttons. The objective here is to ensure a logical flow for users navigating your site on the go. Remember that what may look good on a desktop might need tweaking to fit smaller screens comfortably. Consider the hierarchy of information and emphasize what's most important. Next, take advantage of the vertical alignment option available in the editor. This tool helps prevent your text and content from sinking to the bottom of a section when viewed on mobile. By keeping everything aligned correctly, you ensure your audience sees your content as intended without unnecessary scrolling or misaligned visuals. Now, let's talk about optimizing content for responsiveness. It's essential to use text blocks instead of images for textual information. This choice is beneficial because text blocks will automatically resize to fit the screen size, maintaining readability across different devices. Plus, using text rather than images allows search engines to index your content, improving your site's searchability and potentially boosting your SEO performance. As you go through the process, keep a consistent color palette and typography across your site. Consistency in these elements not only heightens the professional appearance of your site, but also strengthens your brand identity, making your site more recognizable to returning visitors. Finally, let's adjust the letter spacing of your text. If the spacing is set too low, you might find that letters overlap on mobile devices, which not only looks unprofessional, but also affects readability. Head to your Fonts panel and ensure that it's set to 0px or higher to prevent such issues. This small tweak can significantly enhance the clarity of your text, ensuring your message is communicated effectively. By following these guidelines, you can create a mobile-friendly website that is both functional and visually appealing. Making these adjustments will enhance the user experience, potentially increasing engagement and satisfaction among your visitors. Thanks so much for watching, and happy editing!